Converting PDF invoices into e-invoices may sound complex, but with the right solution, it's actually quick and effortless. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to convert your PDF invoices into e-invoices using Klippa DocHorizon. Before you start, if you want to convert your invoices to e-invoices for the Peppol network, first you need a Peppol ID. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Check out this video on the top right corner or in the description below. Once you have your Peppol ID, come back here and let's continue. Here's how you can convert PDF invoices into e-invoices in just a few steps. Start by signing up for free on the DocHorizon platform. The link is in the description below. Just enter your email address and password, then provide some details like your name, company name, use case, volume, and a project name. Once you're done, you'll receive 25 euros in free credits to explore the platform. After logging in, go to your project information on the left. Click on Project Settings, then Services. Here, enable the services you need. For converting PDF invoices to e-invoices, you need the financial document capturing service to extract the data from your PDF invoices. PNGs, JPEGs, or many other formats are possible as well. E-invoicing, which is already enabled if you requested your Peppol ID, and human in the loop to make sure all the e-invoices have the required data. And lastly, enable the flow builder to create the automation to convert invoices into e-invoices. Let's get started setting up our service. Let's create a human in the loop configuration. To ensure a smooth transition to e-invoices, a human in the loop is needed to double check that all required fields are correctly filled before the e-invoice is processed. To set this up, go to the left side of your screen and click on human in the loop. Then on configurations and new configuration. Then name it. I'm going to name it as the e-invoice format I'm using for this example, XRechnung v3. Choose document capturing e-invoice and the format you need. I will use XRechnung v3, but you can select the format according to your needs. Click continue, and now you can customize your human in the loop configuration. Here you can change your name, choose the fields you want to add for review, and invite reviewers. This can be your internal team members reviewing every e-invoice, or at Klippa. We will be glad to help you with that as well. Now let's go to the flow builder. On the left, click on flow builder, create a new flow, and use a template. We have many free templates to choose from. Think about these as specialized AI agents. In this case, let's search for the one to convert invoices to e-invoices and click Use Template. As you can see, the flow is already created for you. You just need to configure it once, and then the agent or automation will work flawlessly from then on. Let's start with the trigger. Where are your invoices, or how are you receiving them? This can be the accounting system, your email, or a Google Drive folder. You can choose what you need. In this case, the preset is set as an inbox email. So every email you receive with invoices, you can send to this email address to be processed. So click on the trigger and on the right window, connect to DocHorizon and copy the test address. Send an email with an invoice to this address and test this step. That was successful. Next step simply is going to give you a list of attachments found in the email and execute the next step for every item or attachment. Test this step. The router will check for attachments and send all the invoices to the left. Everything else will be sent to the right, where there is no action needed. Let's test this step. Then the next step is extracting the data of the invoices. Connect to DocHorizon and enable human in the loop and select human in the loop slug. Mine was XRechnung v3 and test this step. Next step is simply to find the file name. Let's test this step. Next step is to create a universal file. This is a JSON file which is a starting point to convert to any other format. Test this step as well. Next step is to convert the previous JSON file into the final e-invoice. Connect to DocHorizon, find your e-invoice type, and test this step. Now that we have the e-invoice, we can upload it to Google Drive. As with every step, you can change it according to your needs. So this last step could be your accounting system, ERP, or CRM application. Click on Upload File. Connect to your Google account, select the folder where you want to store it, and test this step. And that's it. Sign up for Klippa and start converting your invoices hassle-free. The link is in the description below. Got questions about Peppol or e-invoicing? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more business automation tips. Thanks for watching.